This is a killing challenge for black. So there are really not many first moves. The first move just has to be this. Otherwise, white can live here very easily, because white already has this one real eye here, and its eye space is plenty. So black must exploit white's weakness here by playing here, and white must connect. Otherwise, black will pull back with number 3. This is a tiger's mouth, so white must connect here. And the third move is also a must. Black must play this move, right? Clamping here to connect back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are must plays, and white is already dead. The only tricky thing, of course, in this problem is that white can play something like this, and black can connect here, or capture, and white will try this move, threatening to capture 1, 3, and 7 in a connect and die. Right? If you try to save these 3 stones, then you fail, because now white has 2 real eyes. Black can come in at number 11, and black will fail. But all you need to do is to sacrifice 1, 3, and 7. You can allow white to capture these 3 stones, but now you can capture these 2 stones. And this will be a bent 3 shape. Black can succeed after number 13. So this is why it's a pretty simple problem once you find number 9 here, right? You don't have to save all these stones because they don't guarantee a living shape. It's only a bent 3 shape. And of course, if white captures here first, black should come in, and white cannot capture a connect and die. Of course, black connecting here is the same. White has to choose. If it captures here, black can capture number 6. If it chooses this side, then black can kill this white. So overall, pretty easy, especially 1, 3, and 5 are must plays for black. Now, as long as black is careful, black should be able to find this move at C19 to kill white. So I hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.